Identify each part in a flowering plant and write whether it is haploid or diploid. Ovary, anther, egg, pollen, male gamete, zygote. Now students, in this question they have given different parts. They are ovary, anther, egg, pollen, male gamete and zygote. Now among these we need to identify which is a haploid and which is a diploid. Now the first one, ovary. Now ovary is a part of a carpel. Now carpel includes stigma, style and the ovary. Now this is ovary. Now whether it is an haploid or diploid. Now this ovary will have an embryo sac, and inside the embryo sac the egg cell would be present. But the cells in the ovary are diploid in nature. So ovary is diploid. The next example, anther. Now anther is a part of the stamen, that is androecium. It includes anther and filament. Now this is the anther and this stalk is the filament. Together this whole structure is the stamen. Now in this anther, these are the pollen sacs. There are 4 pollen sacs, but the cells of the anther, they are diploid in nature. They contain 2 sets of chromosome. The next structure is egg. Now egg is present in the embryo sac. Now this center part is the embryo sac which is present inside the ovary. Egg is always haploid. It contains 1 set of chromosome. So egg is haploid. Similarly, the next one, pollen. Now these are the pollen grains. They are produced in the anther. They are haploid in nature. Whereas male gamete. Now this pollen contains the cells, that is vegetative cell and a generative cell. Now all these cells are haploid in nature. So all the cells in the pollen grains, they are haploid in nature, and these cells, that is vegetative cell, they give rise to the tube cell, and the generative cell, they give rise to the male gamete. So the male gamete would be haploid. Zygote, the next structure. Zygote are formed after fertilization. When the gametes fuses together, it forms zygote. So zygote will be having 2 sets of chromosomes. They are diploid in nature. These are the different kinds of cells, and ovary carries 2 sets of chromosome. It is diploid in nature. Anther is diploid. Zygote is diploid. Whereas egg, pollen and male gametes are haploid.